hey, I'm Christian Jesse. I'm 19 years old and I'm a first year BS Entrepreneurship student from Bicol University. So why Bicol University? First of all, this school has been my dream school since the first time I laid my eyes on it. And I believe that this school is different. This is going to be a school that will bring out my best to push me to be the person I dream of. And I know that this school is going to be a stepping stone to my success.
Well, Bicol University provides professional and technical training that leads to social transformation and development. We have various activities that promotes the value of education. Here in Bicol University, our instructors are competent and value the development of their students. Here, you have the freedom to hone your skills and interact with others that have different perspectives and ideologies.
Why did I choose entrepreneurship? You see, entrepreneurship is about innovation, taking it. I chose this program because we create, we make new and exciting things. For example, we make businesses, we provide employment, we grab opportunities and chase success. My experiences as an entrepreneurship student. I, as an entrepreneurship student, get to experience different activities inside and outside of school, such as the Regional Youth Entrepreneurship Conference or the Business Summit. There, we got to experience how to deal with investors and we got to meet different successful people. We, as entrepreneurship students, are given the opportunity to enhance our skills by doing business inside the school premises. As entrepreneurs, our goal is to establish a successful business that can satisfy our consumers' needs and contribute to our community. That is why being an entrepreneur is a helping guide to every person because we provide employment and we can help you, inspire you to become a businessman as well. That is why you must grab every opportunity that will come your way. Because, as we say, entrepreneurs are the first movers.